Hello everyone. In this video, let's solve a numerical problem from the concept of traversing. Let's directly get into the problem statement. A closed traverse has the following observed lengths and bearings for its 5 legs. Calculate total coordinates by using the coordinate 500, 500. The table lists the legs actually, like A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, and E, F. For the corresponding legs, the lengths are given and bearings are also given. Fortunately, the given bearings are the reduced bearings. I hope you have understood the differences between the whole circle bearing and the quadrantal bearing. Quadrantal bearings are also called the reduced bearings. So, from the given values, we are supposed to first calculate the latitudes and departures. They could be plus or minus based on the quadrants that they belongs to. So how do we calculate that? Let's try out with the leg AB, the face AB. The latitude is 150 into cos the angle 40.5 degrees, which is about plus 114.06 meters. That means it is northing. The departure is, L sine theta. L is 150, 150 sine 40.5 degrees, which is about again plus 97.41 meters, which is easting. Let's get into BC. So the value of a BC related to the latitude is minus here. Please observe minus 75.37 meters. Therefore, it is southing. Whereas when it comes to departure, that is plus 163.48 meters, it is easting. For CD, the latitude is 200 cos 20 degrees, departure is 200 sine 20 degrees. The latitude comes to be around minus 187.94 meters. It is minus, so it is southing. Minus 68 in terms of, in case of a departure, so it is westing. D, the latitude is about 160 cos 75.75 degrees, 0.75 degrees. Departure is 160 sine 75.75 degrees. One is plus, the latitude is northing, the departure is minus, which is westing. And for the last one, the calculation shows that the latitude is about plus 128.02 meters. The departure is about minus 22.57 meters. Let's list all these values one by one under the latitude and departure. So these are the values which are calculated now. I've explained you how to calculate the respective latitude and departure from the given length and the bearing. Okay. Now, what is that we are supposed to calculate later is something related to the total coordinates. How do we calculate it? We are supposed to start from 500, 500. For example, for station A, if the coordinates are 500, 500, how do we calculate it for B? AB is the first leg. The start point of that leg is A. The end point is B. So the northing of B would be 500 plus 114.06. You should remember that 114.06 is plus and 97.41 was also plus. So we are adding here. So 500 plus 114.06 is about 614.06 meters. 500 plus 97.41 is 597.41. So the coordinates of B are calculated with respect to the coordinates of station A, which are 500, 500. So coordinates of B 597.41, 614.06. Now by considering this 597.41 and 614.06, we are supposed to calculate the coordinates of C. Now we repeat the same steps, but care must be taken while simplifying with the negatives here. So it is minus here. So we are supposed to deduct it. 614.06 minus 75.37 is still plus 538.69. whereas easting is 597.41 plus 163.48. It is again plus 760.89 meters. Therefore, now we have the coordinates of C in addition to coordinates of B, and these two are calculated from assuming 500, 500 as a coordinates of station A. Same thing is repeated for station D to get the coordinates of D, station E, and finally station F. Usually, in case of a closed traverse, we would end up with the same point, so it is written as A dash, but it is actually the station F. So let's try to list out the total coordinates of all stations. So A is that for which we have uh, assumed or which was asked. If you remember, there were about 5 lakhs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stations. So these are the values which are calculated from the given values of very previous easting and northing values. Hope you've understood. Thank you.